Classic apple pie has about 260 calories per slice, mostly sugar, white flour, and a blood sugar spike. This version, just $1.85, with oats, fiber, and actual staying power. Let's make it. Start with the puree. Peel and chop 2 medium apples. I like Granny Smith or Pink Lady for flavor and texture. Add water, lemon juice, and a pinch of cinnamon. Simmer under a lid for 5 to 10 minutes until soft. Then blend until smooth. Let it cool. Now the wet ingredients. In a bowl, combine the puree, 2 eggs, honey, warm if solid, melted coconut oil, and vanilla. Whisk until smooth. Next, the dry mix. Combine almond flour, oat flour, cornstarch, psyllium husk, cinnamon, and, if you'd like, a pinch of nutmeg. Then add baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Mix well. No clumps of soda or psyllium. Now combine both bowls and stir until smooth. The batter should be thick and scoopable, like cookie dough or Greek yogurt. Transfer into a lined or greased pan. Smooth the top and bake for about 40 minutes until golden and set in the center. Check with a toothpick. It should come out clean. Cool in the pan for at least 15 minutes. It helps the texture set and makes slicing easier. The result? Soft, spiced, and just sweet enough. Once cooled, drizzle with honey and add some crushed almonds for extra crunch and flavor. Best part, you can slice it, wrap in parchment, freeze it, and just grab one whenever you need a no-drama dessert. No sugar crash, no flour fog, just comfort, updated. Classic apple pie is nostalgic and comforting. I love it too. But it's also full of sugar and calories, built for a time when people burned way more. They worked in factories, raised livestock, moved all day. It's 2025. We take elevators, ride escalators, and burn less. Food should evolve with us. Full recipe and macros in the description. Upgrading food to fit the century. Karina.